Hey and welcome to this video. We're diving deep into the world of Fiverr, the digital marketplace that's changed the way freelancers and clients connect worldwide. We'll cover everything from its humble beginnings to how it works, and we'll even provide a step-by-step guide. So, whether you're a freelancer looking to join the platform or a client seeking talented professionals, stay tuned to unlock the secrets of Fiverr. 1. Fiverr Make Money, a bridge between freelancers and clients. Fiverr Make Money, established in 2010, is the bridge that connects freelancers and clients from across the globe. It's transformed how freelance services are accessed and provided. Originally, it was all about offering gigs for just $5, but it's come a long way since then. Sellers now have the freedom to set rates that match their skills and the complexity of their services. 2. Fiverr, your dream freelance marketplace. Ever dreamt of getting tasks done by skilled individuals worldwide without leaving your home? Well, Fiverr makes that dream come true. But what exactly is Fiverr? It's a freelance marketplace that links talented sellers with eager buyers, offering a vast range of services known as gigs. 3. A brief overview of Fiverr, where creativity flourishes. Fiverr is a global marketplace where freelancers showcase their expertise in various fields like graphic design, writing, programming, and more. Founded in 2010, it has connected millions of buyers and sellers from every corner of the world. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a business in need of marketing, Fiverr has talent at your fingertips. 4. Explaining Fiverr gigs, unlocking specialized skills. Fiverr's heart lies in its gigs. Gigs are like magical capsules filled with specialized skills. Each gig represents a specific service offered by freelancers. From writing and editing to graphic design, programming, and even astrology readings, Fiverr's gig categories cover it all. Some gigs have fixed prices and delivery times, while others offer customization. 5. The concept of free on Fiverr, joining the community. Signing up for Fiverr won't cost you a dime. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, joining this digital marketplace is free. Just head over to the website or use the mobile app, and you're ready to explore a world of opportunities. 6. Creating gigs on Fiverr, your creative canvas. Creating gigs on Fiverr is absolutely free. Whether you're offering graphic design, voiceovers, or even professional cuddling, setting up your gig won't cost you a penny. 7. Treading carefully the not-so-free extras. While joining and creating gigs are free, some aspects beyond these initial stages may require financial consideration. Fiverr operates on gig-based pricing, so availing extra services within gigs might come at an additional cost. 8. Peering into Fiverr pricing complexity. Basic gigs starting at $5. Basic gigs on Fiverr often start at just $5. It's an affordable platform for various services. However, as tasks get more complex, costs may rise. Sellers can add extras and packages, tailoring their services to meet specific client needs. 9. Unlocking value. The spectrum of Fiverr freebies. While Fiverr is primarily a paid platform, some sellers generously offer freebies or bonuses with their gigs. These surprises could include extra revisions, bonus content, or expedited delivery. It's up to individual sellers to decide. 10. The cost of purchasing gigs on Fiverr. Pricing for different types of gigs. Purchasing gigs on Fiverr does come with a pricing tag. Basic gigs typically start at $5, but costs can increase for more complex services. Sellers often offer add-ons and packages to enhance the client experience. Understanding Fiverr pricing is essential to get the most value out of your freelancing or outsourcing journey. Now that you're equipped with a better understanding of Fiverr, you can confidently explore this platform, whether you're a freelancer looking to showcase your skills or a client seeking top-notch services. Join us on this Fiverr adventure, and let's make the most of this incredible freelancing marketplace.